Hello and welcome back. For returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. And if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, welcome. My name is Modoni. Please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll get notified. If you've watched my previous video, I made the first solo trip on a budget, and I stayed in this amazing B&B in Mombasa, Mtwapa. Mtwapa was very convenient for me because it was just, like a place I had been before, so I know around this place. And I was looking for a place to stay that is just close to the road because it made it easy for me to navigate. A B&B was recommended to me. I had stayed in I had slept in a different place 2 nights before, so a friend referred me to someone who has hosted her before, and I discovered very affordable B&Bs that are giving 5-star hotel standard and still on a budget. So I grabbed the opportunity with both hands, and I came to this amazing place in Mtwapa. After staying in that accommodation, I realized they had another place, and I decided to show you guys so that in case you're traveling to Mombasa, you give this place a chance. So I'm going to take you around. It's a very nice and clean studio apartment. The host is very nice. Everyone around here is very helpful and very kind. So let me show you. You might have the best experience as well. So from the outside, it looks very clean. This is not the place you go and see pictures of the inside and think everywhere looks the same. But it looks so clean even on the outside. Everyone who works here is very clean. I think it's just a coastal thing. People are very clean in this place. Everywhere I go, they're very clean. So when you get to the door, you open to this amazing place. This is where you can call home when you want to, at a very friendly price. Remember, I was traveling on a budget, so the most basic thing for me is the bed, which I really loved. It was huge, comfortable, clean, and the mosquito net was not letting in any mosquitoes. Though there are not so many mosquitoes around this area, I can easily survive without the mosquito net. So I really love the bed. The fact that you can sleep on either side was a win for me. So beside the bed is this living area with a very beautiful mirror. The decor of this place is quite simple, which makes it look so amazing. I love simple and neat things. So there's this very comfortable couch with a footrest and a very clean mat. I haven't had issues with cleanliness in these 2 houses. I mentioned I slept in a different place, so this place was quite good. And unlike the other place I slept, there's a dining area which had 3 chairs. By now I had moved 1 chair to the balcony because I was also filming there. And it's a very good place to have a meal when you're even with a friend or with your partner or whoever you're traveling with. So it was a nice place. And then now we go to the kitchen. The kitchen has everything you need to prepare a meal, whether breakfast or any other meal. There is enough sufurias. The host gave us very basic things like salt, vinegar. There are some basic spices, cooking oil, and glasses, cups, sufurias, and there's some decor going on there, and I loved the simplicity of this whole place. Of course, there is a microwave which is functional, and it comes in handy when you go outside and buy food and you don't want to eat at that particular moment. You can come and store it in the fridge and warm it maybe for breakfast or something like that, or maybe you don't want to go out during supper. Then of course you need a clean bathroom, and this place gave me a very clean bathroom, and the toilet is also clean. There was a basin there just in case you need to clean something like shoes or something. And then of course nothing beats just a nice balcony where you can chill, especially in Mombasa where it's quite hot. You need a place you can just sit and enjoy the breeze. So yeah, that's how it looks. That's it for today's video, guys. I had there's so much noise, as you can hear. There's a generator which is on. The power is out at the moment. That's why I had to do a voiceover for the rest of the video. I hope you liked this video. Please look at the description box for the details on how to book this place. And it was an amazing one. I slept in a different house though, but this one is equally good and a bit more spacious. So I hope you liked it. Please share it with friends and anyone who could be coming to Mombasa and is on a budget. I'd definitely give this place a 5-star. It's like you're coming to a 5-star hotel on a budget, and I can't insist enough. Like right now the power is out, the fan is off, and there's still breeze coming in through the door. So definitely worth every coin that you'll spend in this place. So I'll leave check them out on the description box, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.